Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a delicacy from Kerala which is Kappa Biryani. First time I tried it in my college and I thought it's a biryani made of basmati rice. I was surprised to see tapioca instead of rice. I'm going to make beef Kappa Biryani and this is so flavorful. Without further ado, let's get started. Take half a kilogram of beef with bone. Add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of fennel seal powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and grinded 5 shallots and 1 green chili paste. Add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and salt as needed. In goes quarter cup of water. I have taken beef in a pressure cooker and mix these masalas until everything combines well. Add in curry leaf as needed. Add in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Cover the pressure cooker with the lid and put the weight on. Well, the cooking time depends on the quality of beef. It took 13 whistles for me to cook the beef perfectly. So the cooking time completely depends on the quality of beef. Let's boil the tapioca. I have taken half a kilo of tapioca and diced it like this. Cook the tapioca in water for 5 minutes. Remove the water and again add water and cook the tapioca. Normally we used to add water 2 times like this whenever we cook tapioca. Take good quality of tapioca as well as beef so that the Kappa Biryani tastes good. Add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as needed and cook well. The tapioca is cooked well and time to strain it. Strain the cooked tapioca and take it in a colander so that the water drains off. Mash it slightly using a spoon like this. Do not mash it completely, we need little chunks of tapioca while having Kappa Biryani. Boiled tapioca is ready now. Kappa means tapioca in Malayalam. Beef is cooked well and it took 13 whistles. Always take beef with bone to make this biryani. The beef here which I get will take at least 10 to 13 whistles to cook. Heat a pan and add in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. In goes 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Kappa biryani is so flavorful and aromatic and normally we used to have it for lunch. Add in few curry leaves and salt well. Roast the coconut until it turns brown color. Coconut is cooked perfectly and switch off the flame. I'm going to bake Kappa Biryani in this pot. Heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add in few curry leaves. In goes 1 cup of sliced shallots. Shallots are cooked well and let's add the masala powders. Add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now add in the cooked beef. Salt it and add in half a cup of water. If the beef has stock while cooking means you can add half a cup of beef stock as well. Once the gravy boils, add in the mashed tapioca. Mix it gently until everything combines well. Add in salt as needed. Add in half a cup of water. We have added salt while cooking tapioca as well as beef, so bear in mind while adding salt. Finally, add in the roasted coconut. Mix it so that everything combines well. If you find the mix is too thick means you can add additional half cup of water, so there is no specific measurement to add water. Finally, add in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil for extra flavor. I like to have Kappa Biryani with little loose consistency only. This should be the consistency of Kappa Biryani. Once cooled, this biryani will thicken. Delicious aromatic Kappa Biryani is ready now. This would be best treat for tapioca and beef lovers. Do try this Kappa Biryani and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.